I welcome you all to this session. This session we are going to discuss a problem related to when only part of premium is brought in by a new partner in cash. So just read in a problem. A, B are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admit C into the firm for one say they admit C into firm for 1/4 share in profits, which he takes 1/6 from A and 1/12 from B. C brings in only 60% of his share of firm's goodwill. Goodwill of the firm has been valued at 1 lakh. Pass necessary journal entry to record this arrangement. So when only part of the premium is brought in by new partner in cash. Okay, so we are going to look into how we are going to do it. So first we have to do the sacrificing ratio. What is the sacrificing ratio? It is old ratio. See, it is being given clearly. C is to be admitted for 1/4 share, which he gets from A and B. 1/6 from A. So sacrificing share of A is 1/6 and sacrificing share of B is 1/12. So in order to equalize this, I am just multiplying this with 2. So 2/12 is to 1/12. So sacrificing ratio is 2:1. Okay, and then we need to calculate how much is the goodwill of the new partner. So goodwill of the firm is rupees 1 lakh. Goodwill of the firm is rupees 1 lakh. Okay, so into 1/4, which is 25,000. Now goodwill brought in cash is 60%. Okay, of 25,000, which is 15,000. The remaining goodwill is adjusted through C's capital. Okay, so the journal entry here would be bank account debit to premium for goodwill account. So it is 15,000 being premium brought in cash. Okay, the second journal entry, this premium to A's capital account to B's capital account. Premium for goodwill, this 15,000 is to be segregated in the sacrificing ratio. So 2:1. 10,000 is to 5,000. I hope that this is clear. And then the second transaction, that is C's capital adjustment, goodwill adjustment. C's capital account debit to A's capital account to B's capital account. You need to adjust this with 10,000 extra has to be brought in, but C did not bring, so it has to be adjusted through C's capital. So it is in the ratio 2:1, sacrificing ratio. So 6,667 and 3,333. I hope that this is clear. Okay, so follow this and it will be easy. The next one, when new partner is not able to bring his share of premium in cash. So we are going to look into one particular I guess the visibility is better now. So we'll just look into this problem when new partner is not able to bring his share of premium in cash. So it is similar to illustration 32. So I'm just taking this illustration 32 in my textbook so that it will be easy for us to actually look into the problem and understand. So illustration 32 is here. A, B, C are in partnership, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:4:1 respectively. Two new partners D and E are admitted. Profits are to be shared in the ratio of 3:4:2:2:1. Okay, so A, B, C and D and E. D is to pay 30,000 for his share of goodwill, but E is unable to pay for goodwill. So both the new partners introduced 40,000 each as their capital. Now pass necessary journal entry. Now D is paying 30,000 as premium for goodwill for 2/12 share because his share of profit is 2/12. Therefore, total value of goodwill is equal to 30,000 into 12/2, which is 1,80,000. So this 1,80,000, what is the share of E? E's share will be 1/12, that is 15,000. Okay, now we are going to do the sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio is old ratio minus new share, that is 5/10 minus 3/12, that is 15 divided by 60, and 4/10 minus 4/12. So you get, if you convert this, you get 4/60, and then 1/10 minus 2/12. So minus 4/60. So C is gaining actually in this transaction. So the sacrificing ratio between A and B will be 15:4. Now since C is gaining equal to 4/60 in the profit, therefore he will also compensate A and B proportionately, 1,80,000 into 4/60, which is 12,000. Then so we need to write the journal entry. Bank account debit to D's capital account to E's capital account to premium for goodwill account. So once this is done, so bank account 1,10,000, under that D's capital account, E's capital account, how much ever they are bringing in. So both the new partners introduce 40,000 each. So they are bringing in 40,000, and then premium for goodwill, who is only bringing? D is only bringing 30,000 for 1/6 share. Okay, and then C's capital account gaining partner, E's capital account, premium for goodwill account to A's capital account to B's capital account. You need to look into the entry here. Okay, so it's like C is also gaining. E's capital account is E is also he did not give 15,000, right? So that has to be adjusted. Then premium for goodwill is 30,000 to A's capital account and B's capital account. If you put together, you will get 57,000. So 57,000 into 15 divided by 19 and 57,000 into 4 divided by 19, which is the sacrificing ratio. Okay, so we will be getting this. So this is how you need to do this particular problem. So we'll just look into the exercise problem. It will be so similar to that illustration problem that we have discussed. So it will be similar. So A, B, C are in partnership sharing profits and losses in the ratio 5:4:1 respectively. Two new partners D and E are admitted. The profits are now to be shared in the ratio of 3:4:2:2:1 respectively. D is to pay 90,000 for his share of goodwill, but E has insufficient cash to pay for goodwill. Both the new partner introduced 1,20,000 each as their capital. You are required to pass necessary journal entry. So it is as similar as what we have discussed earlier. So I just give this problem as a homework problem for you to do it. Okay. So the next category that we are going to discuss is hidden goodwill. I'll just discuss what is hidden goodwill. Okay, sometimes the value of goodwill of the firm is not given. It has to be inferred on the basis of the net worth, capital of the firm. For example, A and B, whose capital in the firm stand at 50,000 and 1 lakh respectively, share profits equally. They admit C into the partnership, and he brings 60,000 as capital for 1/4 share of profits. In this case, total capital of the firm, new firm, should be 60,000 into 4. So which is 1/4, because the total capital 1/4 share he is bringing in 60,000. So what is the total share? 2,40,000. But the joint capital of all the three partner is 50,000 plus 1 lakh plus 60,000, which is only 2,10,000, which means 30,000 is a goodwill. So therefore in this case, inference goodwill is 30,000, which is 2,40,000 minus 2,10,000. It will be shared by A and B in their sacrificing ratio equally. The value of goodwill is inferred on the basis of the net worth of the firm. Net worth including goodwill of the firm on the basis of capital brought in by the incoming partner. So assuming incoming partner brings in 5,000 for 1/5 share, what is the total share is 25,000. Net worth excluding goodwill of the reconstituted firm after taking into consideration the capital brought in by the incoming partner, say it is 20,000, then value of goodwill is 5,000. So this is how you will find out what is how is the hidden goodwill that is there in the problem. So I'll just do one problem related to hidden goodwill. So just look into this. X and Y are partners with capital of 50,000 each. They admit Z as a partner for 1/4 share in the profits of the firm. Z brings in 80,000 as his share of capital. Profit and loss account showed a credit balance of 40,000 as on date of admission of Z. Give necessary journal entries to record the goodwill. So you need to find what is the hidden goodwill here. So I'll just tell you how to find the total capital. So first is problem number 42, hidden goodwill. Okay, so first let's find out what is the total share, total capital. Total capital of firm after Z's admission. Total share of firm, total share capital of firm after Z's admission, that is X capital plus Y's capital plus undistributed profits. If there is any undistributed profits and losses account shows a credit balance of 40,000. So that is undistributed profits because P&L credit. Okay, plus you have Z's capital. What is Z's capital? Okay, so it is 50,000. X order capital, Y order capital is also 50,000. Undistributed profit is 40,000. Z's capital is he is bringing in how much? 80,000 as his capital. So I'm just writing 80,000. So total capital is coming to 1,80,000 plus 40 is 2,20,000. Okay, so 2,20,000 is the capital that is there. Now what is the capitalized value of the firm? Capitalized value of the firm on the basis of Z's share, which is 80,000. 80,000 capital he is bringing in for 1/4. What is total capital? What is if it is 100% profit, what is it? So it is 3,20,000. So 3,20,000 is the value of capitalized value of the firm, but actual total capital that's coming is 2,20,000, which means there is a hidden goodwill. So goodwill is equal to capitalized value of the firm minus total capital after Z's admission. So it is 3,20,000 20,000 minus 2,20,000, which comes to 1 lakh. So goodwill is 1 lakh. Okay, so they have asked us to find record the goodwill. How to record this goodwill? So we have written what is the hidden goodwill. So I'll just discuss one more problem with you. The balance sheet of X and Y, whose share profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2 as of 31 March 2017 was: sundry creditors 1 lakh, reserve 60,000, profit and loss 25,000, X capital and Y's capital is 48 and 32 respectively, cash at bank, data, stock, furniture, plant and machinery, and advertisement suspense account. They admit that as a partner from 1st April 2017 for 1/5 share in the profits of the firm, that brings in 50,000 as his capital. Give journal entry for the adjustment of goodwill. So to understand journal entry, I am just showing this particular illustration. Total capital or net worth of the firm is 50,000 into 5, which is 2,50,000. But net worth of the new firm after the adjustments, that is the profit, that is the reserve plus the profit and the capital, whole capital of a partner minus advertisement suspense account. So it is 48,000 plus 32,000 plus 60,000 plus 25,000 minus 15,000 plus 50,000, because it is a new capital of the new partner. So 50,000, so you're getting only 2 lakhs, which means 50,000 is a hidden goodwill. That hidden goodwill, whatever is the share of profit that he's bringing in, 10,000 is to be given. So 10,000 in the ratio, in the sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio is otherwise called as the old ratio, 3:2. So here it is 50,000 into 1/5 and to X capital account, that is 10,000 into 3/5, and Y's capital account 10,000 into 2/5. So 6,000 and 4,000. So this is how you are supposed to do this particular transaction. I thank you class for, I'll just take you through the next part of the lesson in the next video. Thank you class.